Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims, the Who That teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Of course, I am back to teach you another line dance. It's beginner friendly. It's a one wall dance. It's called T and B Pop. T and B Pop. I'm going to give you the step-by-step instruction, but before I do, if you're interested in cardio line dancing classes in the New Orleans area, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, this is the step-by-step instruction. If you want to dance to the music, please watch till the end and click right here and let's dance together. I want to give a shout out to everyone that always leave me a comment. Thank you guys so very kindly. I appreciate you. Thank you for supporting the NOLA Southern Experience 2026. We sold out in like 14 hours, 14 hours. Thank you so much. We have a great event planned for you next year. So are you ready? This is a one wall dance, beginner friendly. Instructor, the tempo is kind of upbeat, so I warm my people up a little bit before I would do this dance, okay? Are you ready? Let's go. So I'm going to stand to the side. So you stand to the side right here, facing in this direction, okay? So the right comes up. It's almost like a push and pull with a triple step. So it's right, left, right, left, right. Again, right, left, right, and you're going to repeat that on the left. Step forward. Left, right, left, okay? So far what we've doing on the right, we're doing on the left. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right. So as we move up, we're going to come back with a sailor right and a sailor left. Sailor right, sailor left. All right? Let's put that together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left. Sailor right, sailor left. Okay, now we're going to tap to the side and tap forward. Side, and to the front. So, right, left. So we did a sailor right, a sailor left, sailor right, sailor left, side tap, and tap it forward. All right, let's put that together. 5, 6, 7 with the push and pull. 1, 2, 3, and 4 left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sailor 1 and 2, 3, and 4 side. 5, 6, front, 7, 8. Okay, adding on. We're going to do a tap lift. Tap, lift, right, left, right. So we tap, lift, and we shuffle up on the right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap, lift, right, left, right. Then we're going to do a step, half, pivot, turn. The left shoulder come forward. Left come forward and pivot, half. Then that left heel is up and we're going to shuffle left, right, left. Okay, so we do step, pivot, turn, half turn, and do a triple step. Here we go. 5, 6, 7 on the right. Tap, lift, right step, pivot, half, left, right, left. Again, that left shoulder come forward, making a half turn. Again, tap, lift. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap 1, 2, shuffle 3 and 4, pivot 5, 6, 7, and 8. From here, you're going to do that same step again. That's going to bring you back to the front. Tap, lift on the right. 1, 2, up 3 and 4. Pivot 5, 6, left, 7, and 8. All right? Now, let's put it together. We do the push and pull on the right. We do the push and pull on the left. We sail it back on the right. We sail it back on the left. We do side taps on the front, out and in, then to the on the side, then the front. Then we do that tap lift that we just did. Here we go. 5, 6, 7. Push and pull. Right, left, right, right, left. Sail right, left, tap right, left, up, right, left, tap left, tap right, 2, 3, and 4. Pivot 5, 6, left, 7, and 8. Right, 1, 2, right, pivot 5, 6, 7, and 8. The last step is on your left. So we're just going to do a roll back to the right and a roll back to the left. doing a triple step, okay? This is how it looks. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. Do that again. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So, let's go back to the top. Nothing hard. Most of these steps, if you've been going to classes, guys, you've been doing these steps all alone, okay? It just takes practice. All you're doing is practicing. I haven't done anything that you all don't know already. Unless you're here for the first time, some of these steps might be new to you, but that's to be expected, all right? Here we go. Right up, push and pull. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right. Left, right, left, right, left. Sailor, right, left, right. Side, kick front. Tap lift on the right. Tap lift. Triple step, pivot, half, left foot, left, right, left, tap, lift, shuffle, right, step, pivot, half, left, right, left, roll, 1, 2, triple, 3, and 4, left, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Did you remember to roll back to the right? Okay, let's do it again. Let's do it again, and then I'm gonna add on, and it's pretty much the end of the dance, okay? Here we go, 5, 6, 5, 6 with the push and pull is 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Out 5, 6, 7, 8. Tap 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pivot 5, 6, left 7 and 8. Tap 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pivot 5, 6. Get ready for the roll back. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right, so 8 is on the left. Remember when you roll back, do that triple step. So I'm gonna tap out to the side, double. Double, single, single. So it is double right, single left, single right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then I'll pivot 2 times. 5, 6, that's a half turn, 7, 8, end of dance. So I went double right, single left, and right. My right heel is up, so I tapped out on the left, on the right. Double, single, single. I'm gonna leave my right heel out and up so I can step, pivot, half, step, pivot, half. Okay? Then the dance starts over, stepping forward on that right to do the push and pull. Okay? So it is 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes? All right. Let's put this together. And I got something to tell y'all. You know I'll be dropping some gems. I got something to say, the conversation that I had with a friend. Okay, here we go. From the top. Push and pull. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Left. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Sailor 1 and 2, 3, and 4. Out 5 and 6. Up 7, 8. Tap 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pivot 5, 6, triple 7, and 8. Tap 1, 2, 3, and 4. Pivot 5, 6, 7, and 8. Roll 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Double 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Start the dance over. No tags, no changes, no bridge. Just do this combination, start back over through the whole entire dance. So check this out. So I think you do like 3 complete rotation on this dance. So I just taught it, right? The way I teach this dance, instructor, is the same way I would teach it in class. All right? If you've been watching me for a while, use the same format. And that's if something else works better for you, use that. But if you're having trouble with knowing how to break the line dance down, use the format that I use. I was an instructor, a step aerobic instructor at 27. And they taught us different formats of how to break down the line dance. So there's different formats, not just the one that I use. I just used the add-on, and I stuck with that. That's the only one I know. Like people use other, my a colleague, she's an instructor also, aerobic instructor. She used the block method or whatever, but this is the one that is most comfortable for me. So I've always used it throughout my aerobic career. Whenever I was teaching step, if I was teaching high-low aerobic, kickboxing, I always did the same thing. Even when I taught Pilates yoga, I started with that basic movement. Then I added on. Then I go back to the top. Because you need muscle memory in your brain and the footwork. Okay? So if you have problems breaking down a line dance, use the same format that I use. Okay? Also, now, that really wasn't the point I was trying to make. The point I was trying to make is, so I would teach the dance like I just taught y'all guys in my class. I wouldn't change nothing up, the same thing, okay? Now we'll play the music. Now, I will call out the step, the first rotation. After the second rotation, I'm not going to call the steps out because I need them to learn muscle memory. Instructors, as long as you calling out the steps, your people will never get it. I'm telling you. I know it for a fact. I've been teaching it since I was 27 years old. What's going to happen is when you stop calling out the dance, you're like, my people don't remember. No, that isn't true. What happens is when you stop calling it, then they kind of fumble. They because they're used to listening to you. And what happens is when you see them falter, it's just like a baby. You go run over there and catch them. Okay? But sit back a minute. A father is going to sit back and let them learn from their mistakes. And they're going to get it next time. But each time your people make a mistake because you're not calling out the steps, just step back for a minute. They're going to get it. Yes, they are. They're going to get it. So if I'm going to an event and I'm going through my playlist and everything, and we're going to review for a week or two, right? So guess what? The whole time I'm going to class, I'm not saying anything because I've taught the dance and we've practiced the dance. So why am I still calling it out? Okay? Now, I'm not going to say if I see something where they made a mistake and they're having trouble, maybe with the bridge or whatever, I'll keep going. And then at the end of the dance, I stop the music and I say, let's walk through that bridge again. Let's walk through that tag or whatever. Okay? I'll reteach it. But give your people an opportunity to learn on their own. You don't always have to call it out. You've taught the dance already. That first, if I'm doing a 4-wall dance, I'm going to call it out. 4 walls. But when you come back to the front, baby, they already know. And then guess what? Sometimes I just walk off. Why you do that, Linda? I just walk off. Because you always have them students that copy off of your footwork. They copy off of your paperwork. Okay? So I'll walk off. I already recognize I have a mirror in front of me. And I already know, even without a mirror, those who are just mimicking people's footwork. Those are the ones that always going to stand by you. They're going to stand by you so they can mimic your footwork. So they're not actually learning. So I'm going to walk off. I'm going to go to my tablet like I'm looking at the next song or something. So then I force them to learn the dance, okay? So that's just a tip. But I can tell you when it's time to go to the event, my work is done. I've taught the dance. We've gone over the dance several times. And when it's time to just practice before we go to the event, I don't have anything to do. I just got to play the music. So there you go, guys. So let me know what you think. Leave a comment. Give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And share this video. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video.